Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and this will be Charm Chatter number 321 on July 5th. While I was on vacation, I did make it into a Hobby Lobby in South Carolina. I'm not sure if it was actually on Hilton Head or on the, like, right outside of Hilton Head. I can't remember if I crossed over a bridge. But anyway, I just picked up a few things. And I don't know how I got dirt in there, but since I already had some of these, they had 3 of these left, and so I thought, well, I can make a bigger project. And so I bought 3 of these Baby Bee Sweet Delight in the blue marled. And I think Chloe's probably going to ask for something out of this because she really liked the yarn and the color of it. So these were regular $5.49 and they were on clearance for $1.37. So I think I got 3 of those. Then with the having in mind that I had to make a turtle, I bought 2 of these, and I did make the turtle for the Nautical Spoons game. The turtle shell was made out of this, and I held 2 together, so I did use out of both of these. This is, and this was what they had. They had 2 of the Urban Chic, and this color is Catalyst? I don't know, but anyway, so I got 2 of those. And I had some of these, so I purchased 1 more, and it's this island. Oh, these were also $1.37, regular $5.49. Then I had purchased some of these already in this colorway, and this was the last one there, so I thought, don't leave the poor lonely thing. I love this cotton, and the color name is Covered Up. But these were regular $3.79 and they were 94 cents. So I bought it just because, like I said, I had some and it was lonely. Then what I was really hoping I could find that I had not purchased before, and this is all they had of it. So I did buy it all, and I will make a garment. This will be probably a top. I love this silk. And it is also a yarn bee. It was $5.99 and it's on clearance for $1.49. And this is a 3-weight. And it's 85% bamboo and 15% silk. And it is really soft. So when I saw other people, I'm like, why didn't I buy that when I saw other people having it? So I thought, gosh, I hope that they had a few. And this is what they had left. And gray is a very neutral color, so I liked it. So I bought the 3 or 4 that they had of those. Okay, so where was I? So then I found these. Now I have 5, I think, of this real pretty. I love the color, and it was so soft. I don't think they had this at the Hobby Lobbies that I saw here. It's called Breathe Deep, and the color is teal, and it's like a chain spun. Can you see that? I can't get one strand. Here we go. It's like a thick, but it's like chain spun. I'll get a grip there. So that's kind of cool, and it is a number 4. And it's 100% polyester. Oh, it's so soft and squishy. So I got 4 of those, 5 of those. Well, how many yards are in there? 216 yards of a number 4 at 5 of them. So that's 1,000 yards. Hopefully I can do something with that. Then I have some of these. And these are Stitches 101 50/50. And they're not real big skeins, but they're really soft, and I think they'd be really drapey. They're 180 yards, 100% acetate. And I kind of even like the colors together. Isn't that weird? But these were like what they had. And so I started the green. I used the green and the black actually on that turtle for the nautical spoons that I made. So this is more turtle. And that's what I bought them for. But I think had they had more, I didn't buy this to begin with because I thought I'm not buying another kind of yarn. You know, I don't know. I don't know why I didn't buy it to begin with. They were $1.49, regular $5.99. It's very nice and soft yarn. I should have purchased it to begin with. Then I wouldn't be using it on Amy's, but it's going to be Amy's for the grandkids now. And they had one of these in white. And see, I didn't know because they were projecting rain for several days in a row, like a lot of rain. And so I went, I think, on Monday to the yarn store, and the girls were shopping at the outlet mall. $5.99 for $1.49. This is a Studio 72, and it's a 50% acetate, 50% acrylic. So we had played the Nautical Spoons game on, and I promised the girls more Amy's to go in there, you know, little sea creatures. So I was looking, bearing in mind sea creature colors and sea creatures that they wanted. So there wasn't a lot of bright colors, and most of the stuff that I had already previously made was bright in color, and so I was kind of looking for colorful. And so when they had those and they had the pink, you can always use white for anything, like the underbellies. They wanted, Ari specifically asked for stingrays, so I knew I had the Ralph the Ray I could make. And I've made that, so I knew it would be a little bit large, but if I used this yarn, it's a 4 weight. It says it's a 4 weight, but it's a thin. Like this is a thicker 4, and this is a thinner 4. You can see the difference. You know, they would fit, and if I needed extra white, so that's why I bought that. They had one skein of it. It was lonely. I said, oh, it could be an Annie. And then also for Ralph the Ray, if I use this, which it's coming all apart. It's traveled. It's well-traveled yarn now. They had a couple of these soft and sleek DK, and I'm gonna get out my, oh, not the Swift, but the ball winder, and I'm gonna wind these grays up. But they had the 2 grays, and I thought, oh, that's nice for Ralph the Ray to make stingrays, and Ari really liked the color to do stingrays with. So I thought, well, maybe I'll hold 2 strands together. But the Ralph the Ray, when I got home and I actually saw Ralph the Ray, it's a little bit bigger, the one that I had previously made. So I think if I just do 1 strand, because this is a 3 weight, obviously DK, and these were $4.99 for $1.24. These, I don't remember if this was all that they had, but it was all that they had in the grays. They didn't have any bright colors. I was really wanting bright colors because I thought if it's raining every day and we're playing games and being in the you know, Hilton has a lot of outside things, you know, and swimming. We did do kayaking, and we did go horseback riding, and then there was a lot of time at the pool. The pool at the resort that we stayed at, because I can't be in the sun a lot, so I thought if they're gonna spend a lot of time at the pool, I'm gonna be in the condo, and I'll be crocheting. And it was calling for a lot of rain, which we did not get. It did rain Friday, most of the day, but we did get outside things done then as well. They swam in the rain. It was great for me because it was cloudy, because it was just drizzle, but you know, anyway, we played games and whatever, so I thought, gosh, I'm going to get a lot of crocheting done, and I'll make these animals for the kids. And then it didn't rain that much. But this is 100% low pill acrylic. So this color is color Cloud for the darker gray, and the paler color is color Linen. So I originally bought these thinking I could get some Ralph Lauren's out of them. I don't know if I'm actually going to use them for that now, but I am going to Swiffer them up because they are, or ball band them up because they are looking pretty bad. Oh, look. Oh, one more of this. What was this one called? Stitches 101 acetate. This color is, finding the colors is always trouble for me. This one is Copper Penny. It's very coppery in color. And Ari saw this one and she says, Grammy, could you make me a carrot? I said, carrot out of this? I could make you a carrot, but do you really want it out of this color? I don't know why she's into me making her fruit. Oh, and then I found this color here on the DK as well. Color Dijon, like mustard. Like I said, most of the bright colors were gone. Then I did pick up some more of these Yarn Bee 44th Streets because they were so soft. So I got the red color. It's called Ruby. I have 1 skein and 3 cakes because red is one of my daughter's favorite colors to deal with. And I got this one because I just think it's so pretty. And I have 2 in this color, I think. I think I got 2 from one of the Hobby Lobbies here. These were regular $4.29 for $1.07. And this one's called Pale Aqua. And these are 70% acrylic and 30% polyamide. They are a DK weight, I believe. Yeah, they're number 3. But they're so soft. So I love the pale aqua color. And I thought this would be a really nice maybe cowl and fingerless gloves or hat for Amanda. I don't know, because red is her favorite color. So let's see. Oh, I used up some yarn there. That was not part of this. So I bought 10, 20, 30 skeins. Really? Wow. And I paid $40.51. Oh, less a bag. So $39 and a penny. $39.01 than it would be for the yarn for 30 skeins. So that's pretty damn good. Pretty daggone good. So that's what I got on my 3rd Hobby Lobby haul. My vacation haul. Oh, no. And some of it does have, some of it I bought just because. And I told the kids, I said, when I got to the hint of silk, I said, you guys can't have this. They're like, oh, that would be so good for dolphins or stingrays. I'm like, nope, 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 nope. This yarn is not for that. But they could have any of the other that they wanted for their critters. And so now I'm on to critter making, I guess. And now that I've done this video, I can put the rest of the yarn away, which is why I had to do this video up real quick. So I will get on to Swiffering this and not Swiffering, yarn balling DK yarn. That Hobby Lobby also did not have bags, by the way. And I don't know if that was a county thing because that was the only place we went to that did not have bags. So now I'm beginning to wonder if it's going to be a Hobby Lobby thing that they're just going to jump on the, save the environment bandwagon and not have bags. I had to purchase a bag there. So that's cool. I like these bags. They're big. And I would imagine that all of your Hobby Lobbies have them. They do hold a great deal of yarn. You could use that as a blanket bag. I didn't show you the bag. I don't know if I showed it to you in another video, but this is the bag that they sell at Hobby Lobby. It's a good sized bag. And it's got these little hangers. I don't know if you can see. So if you really got some command strips and hung them on the wall. You could stick all your bags in there really easy. I thought, oh, that would be nice. Nice way to hang, you know, put all your project bags in, stick them on the wall, and hold all your project bags together. If you have wall space for it. I tend to not have wall space anywhere because I put stuff up everywhere. But that's just the way I like to decorate, so there you go. So that's it. I don't have anything else for this haul, and thanks for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed what I got in South Carolina Hobby Lobby. Only one thing that I saw there that I didn't see at other Hobby Lobbies. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.